What's up, folks? Wanted to talk to you real quick about the check valve heading into our tank. So the check valve makes sure that we can have product flowing in, but nothing can actually flow out. We got this machine here. This is a refurb machine that we're getting fixed up for a customer. So I wanted to point out where our check valve is at. You'll see it right here. It is right after valve 4, right before we go into the tank. I've got a new check valve here that I've kind of taken apart so we can see what's going on. This is on the product inlet side, this little webbing here with a gasket. But the piece that I really wanted to reference for you is this piece that comes out of the center. This ring right here is what actually creates the seal to make sure that product can flow pushing past that, going in. However, with the 30 to 35 psi of pressure in our tank, it's holding that closed. This is something in the preventative maintenance measures, biannually or every quarter on your machine. It's a really good idea to open up your check valve and make sure that this seal still has all of its integrity. Because if product is able to just push past this, even with pressure in our tank, then it's going to be really difficult to hold a bolt level while we're running our machine.